Welcome to Tech Tips 101. I'll guide you to install WinRAR in Windows for free. First, open the link in the description box. Wait for the folder to load. Click Download in the right upper corner. If this video helps you, please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Open the zip file after finished downloading. Drag the folder to the Downloads folder to extract it. After that, open the Downloads folder and you should see the extracted folder there. Open the folder. If your system is 64-bit, open the x64 installation file. Click Install. Click OK. Done. I'm going to close all windows. Now, go to Windows Search and search for WinRAR and open it. The app should be there if it is successfully installed. This ends our video. Please subscribe for more latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.